Learn advanced skills of data visualization. Become a pro. First, extract data using VLOOKUP. Type column numbers within curly braces. Insert donut chart. Remove title and legends. Format chart. Set donut hole size to 50%, while set donut explosion to 3%. Format slices border. Add data label. Change label options. Adjust chart position. Format data labels. Remove chart outline. Add title within hole. Link text box with month name. Format title. Remove chart background. Hide sheet grid line. Validate month names. Done. Present your data in stylish way.